So in this video we are going to see the demo of homoglyph based phishing attacks and how we can detect homoglyph based phishing attacks. It's a machine learning based application which is running on AWS machine on this IP address and this is the port number. So here is a list of some real domains and the fake version of these domains. We will check them one by one, and we'll also see how we have made the fake domains for these real ones. So first let's see for the real domains. So first we'll see for google.com. This is the google.com domain. We have checked it and our model has predicted that it's a real domain. This is the first one. Now let's check for Facebook. These are very popular domains. It may be they have appeared in dataset from which we have trained on. It might be different. We'll look onto the scenarios. So we have checked for facebook.com. Yeah, again it's a real. Then we can check for gmail.com. It is real. Our model has predicted it correctly. Then we checked for github.com. It's again real domain. Our model is predicted correctly. Then we'll check for twitter.com. It is able to predict it correctly. All these domains are real domains. This last one real. This is Wikipedia. So again, that is a real domain. So all these domains are already there. They may be in the data set. So it might be the case the model is able to predict correctly. So we have one more domain called safeml.com. So we'll go to GoDaddy and search for this domain, safeml.com. So you can see it's an entirely new domain name. It has never been used by anyone. So this is the new domain which is coming to our list. Now we will check on this new domain and we have to check whether our model is able to predict it correctly or not, whether it's a real domain or a fake domain. So yeah, our model is able to predict it correctly that it is a real domain and it's entirely new domain which is not there in the data set. So this is about the real ones. Now let's check on the fake ones. So this is google.com, and how we have generated this homoglyph based version of this using this web service. So there we have just copied the real domain and it generates all the combinations, and whatever combination we want to choose, we have chosen a combination. Suppose we want to do some changes in the E, and this is now the homoglyph domain for this. We have copied it from here and pasted it there, and all the domains are created sorry, in the same way. So now let's check for first homoglyph based version of google.com. So their model is able to detect it's a fake domain. Then for homoglyph based version of facebook.com, their also model is able to detect it's a fake domain. Now we will check for Gmail. We have made all the domains like fake domains from this service only. Again, it is able to detect it's a fake domain. Now if we check for GitHub, yeah, model is able to detect it's a fake domain. Now we have checked for Twitter. See, this Twitter looks exactly similar to original Twitter, like the change is in W. Because I have done it, I know, but it is very hard to see it from the eyes. But if we see like model is able to predict like this is the fake domain, whereas the twitter.com, both of them are look exactly similar, but model is able to make a difference between twitter.com and this fake one, twitter.com. Now let's see for Wikipedia. Yeah, it's a fake domain, and in the similar way, like this is the new domain, we have made a homoglyph domain using this service only. Now we will check on this. Yeah, model is able to detect that it is a fake domain which has never been into the system, and it is a generalized model which is able to detect whether a domain is real or fake. So that's about the demo, or how this system works, basically how to take the homoglyph based phishing attacks. Thank you.